Rabbit wants script, not boring broccoli script, spicy carrot script. ChatGPT can write script, but sound like ... toaster. So Rabbit built custom GPT. Step 1. Custom instructions. Rabbit Tellbot. Talk fast. Be weird. Be funny. Never say "Dear Content Creator" or "Me Scream." Step 2. File uploads. Rabbit feed bot old scripts, style guides, even scribbles from Carrot Napkin. Bot eat data. Learn Rabbit voice. This called embedding personal corpus fancy word for teaching AI your brain. Advanced tip. Rabbit use vector store. What that mean? Rabbit upload big pile of documents old scripts. Research, Carrot Encyclopedia. But not just regular upload. Rabbit use embedding AI turns each sentence into math, like Carrot DNA. Stores it in a vector database. Now, when Rabbit asks, "What's best carrot for vitamin A?" AI doesn't guess or Google. It searches the vector store, finds exact paragraph Rabbit wrote last spring, and answers with laser focus. Use tools like ChatGPT with file memory, or connect GPT to Pinecone, Weaviate, or LangChain setups for super advanced. Recall, now Rabbit has writing assistant trained on its own brain. Rabbit, faster, funnier, hungrier. Subscribe or Rabbit train GPT on your emails. You've been warned.